Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on this piece of Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States. What customer states? Perform an oil change. We'll say no more, fam, we got you. They also want a multi-point inspection. So we pulled the dipstick out and we wiped off a bunch of freaking varnish so we could see that it's clean, right? See, it's clean. It's also dry. Let's make sure we get it on in there really good. Might have to do the extended dipstick mod on this one, but there is absolutely... Oh wait, what is that? A little schmeg on the tip, I guess. Alright, giggity. There's no oil. Or there's some, but nothing measurable. We could see that the drive belt is freaking hella contaminated. And we can see up here there's an excessive oil leak somewhere. Alright, let's take this thing up top and see how much oil is actually in this thing. Prepare for drain plug removal. Alright, now that we have taken it up top, I already cracked the drain plug free. Let's see what comes out. Ugh, not a lot. And it is dark and sludgy. Ugh. Alright, so while this is going, let's take a look at what's pissing on us. Oh yeah, look at that. Self-lubricating chassis system's not lubricating the chassis, but it's freaking lubricating the engine, I tell you what. Wow. Come on. There we go. Alright. Yeah, look at that belt. That belt is definitely Gugats. And not for nothing, we're already done draining oil. Wow, I can imagine how heavy the filter is going to be when I remove it. Alright, let's go around. You can see we've had an exhaust repair here, which is not that bad. I'm not really worried about that. We do have some excessive corrosion at the rear axle. Plenty of flavor to go around. This bushing is struggling at life. Just like this rocker. Oh my god. Yeah, that ain't good. That is... Oh, wow. Alright, you know what? Stop fingering the car. Let's go around here. Okay, we got some more flavor going on out there. Oh! Let's look into the car. How's everything going on in there? Oh, not doing good. Not doing good at all. Alright, so we definitely have some flavor issues. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna poke that. I'm not gonna even poke the bear. No, that evap line is kind of wet. Giggity. We may have the inner workings of a potential evap leak here. You know what? I got oil on here. This is just gonna smear it on there. It's gonna help out just a little bit. At least that spot is gonna help. But yeah, we could see a potential evap leak here. Very good. Alright guys, I just wanted to share that with you. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for further content, or for whenever it comes out.